Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I have come up with another new chapter of class 10th Hindi, Internet Kranti. Kranti means revolution, change. So, what changes has come due to internet? How internet has affected our life? We will study in this chapter. Let us first see the summary. पाठ का आशय वैज्ञानिक आविष्कारों ने मानव जीवन को सुविधाजनक बनाया है। इंटरनेट से मानव की जीवन शैली और उसकी सोच में क्रांतिकारी परिवर्तन हुआ है। आज इंटरनेट के बिना संचार व सूचना दोनों क्षेत्र कमजोर हो जाते हैं। इंटरनेट ने पूरी दुनिया को एक जगह ला खड़ा कर दिया है। जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में इंटरनेट का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। इंटरनेट वरदान है तो अभिशाप भी है। फर्स्ट लेट अस सी द हार्ड वर्ड्स। वैज्ञानिक आविष्कारों मीन्स टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिसर्च, देन जीवन शैली मीन्स लाइफस्टाइल, क्रांतिकारी चेंजेस, देन सूचना व संचार, इट मीन्स कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन, then vardhan means boon, abhishap means curse. So here this technological research has made our life very easy, and our lifestyle has changed, and we are so dependent on internet today that we cannot think to live a life without it. We cannot think to live our life without internet. We are so dependent on it, be it if you want to give any information to anyone, or if you want to communicate with anyone, we need internet. Without internet we cannot get connected to people, and this internet, it has brought the whole world at one place, and it has contributed in many fields. Along with its advantages, we also have some disadvantages that we will see further. आज के संदर्भ में इंटरनेट क्रांति से होने वाले लाभ तथा हानि के बारे में छात्र जानकारी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं और सचेत रह सकते हैं। आज का युग इंटरनेट युग है। बड़े बूढ़ों से लेकर छोटे बच्चों तक सब पर इस इंटरनेट क्रांति का असर पड़ा है। एक दिन रोहन स्कूल से लौटते ही इंटरनेट के संबंध में अपने दोस्तों के बीच हुई चर्चा के बारे में अपने बाबूजी से कहने लगा। तब उन्होंने कहा कि इंटरनेट के उपयोग से इंसानी सोच का दायरा बढ़ गया है, और उन्होंने बदली तकनीक के कारण जिंदगी के बदले नजरिए को भी उसे समझाया। लेकिन रोहन इतने से संतुष्ट नहीं हुआ। वह इंटरनेट के बारे में विस्तृत जानकारी पाना चाहता था। बाबूजी इतना ही जानते थे कि इंटरनेट एक तरह से विश्वव्यापी कंप्यूटरों का अंतर्जाल है, जिसकी वजह से पूरे विश्व का विस्तार एक गांव का सा छोटा हो गया है। इसलिए उन्होंने रोहन को सुझाव दिया कि वह अपने कंप्यूटर शिक्षक से पूछताछ करे। So, as we know, today's world is dependent on computer, on internet. Life has so changed. People of all the age group are addicted towards the internet. So one day, Rohan, he is a school boy. When he was returning from his school towards his home, when he was going to his home, he asked his father. He asked his father about the internet. That what is this internet? Can you tell me? Then his father he told that it is a internet is a vast network that connects computers, and people can share the information, and they can talk to each other, and so whatever knowledge his father was having, he gave him. But it did not satisfy the Rohan wanted more information. So his father told that next day when you will go to school, you ask with your computer teacher. uh, he will help you. दूसरे दिन रोहन अपने कंप्यूटर शिक्षक से इसके बारे में क्लास में प्रश्न पूछता है। सर, इंटरनेट का मतलब क्या है? इससे किस प्रकार की क्रांति हुई है? शिक्षक, बड़ा अच्छा सवाल है। सुनो, इंटरनेट अनगिनत कंप्यूटरों के कई अंतरजालों का एक दूसरे से संबंध स्थापित करने का जाल है। आज इंसान के लिए खान पान जितना जरूरी है, इंटरनेट भी उतना ही आवश्यक हो गया है। First, let us see the hard words. Here, unginat computer means countless computer. Antarjal means network. Stapit means established. So here, when next day Rohan went to school, he put the same question to his computer teacher, that explain me what is internet and what changes it has brought. So teacher told that yes, you have asked a very good question. Listen, internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. It is a network system that connects millions of web servers. People can share information and communicate with the help of this internet connection. Then Ajit, another student, he asked, "How come, sir? Can you explain some more information? Can you tell more about internet?" Then टीचर गेव सम एग्जांपल्स। कुछ साल पहले दूर रहते रिश्तेदार या दोस्तों को कोई खबर देनी पड़ती तो हमें चिट्ठी लिखनी पड़ती थी या दूरभाष का उपयोग करना पड़ता था। इससे समय और पैसे दोनों का अधिक व्यय होता था। Here the hard words, दूरभाष means telephone, and व्यय means it means time, wastage of time, अधिक व्यय. So here the teacher gave the example. As you can see in the picture, that one boy is writing a letter, and a lady, she is talking in the telephone, and you can also see the postman, he is giving the letter to a lady. So the shikshak, the teacher, he is giving example that in earlier days when internet was not there, it was very difficult to communicate with people. You would have to write a letter and wait for a long time to reach that letter to the particular person. But nowadays through internet it has become so easy. You just dial a number, and easily you get connected and you can have a talk with your friends, colleagues, or anyone. So both the pictures you can see here, on the left side and the right side, you can see one is before the internet, and the next side is after the internet. So it has facilitated us. देन किए कोई भी विचार हो, स्थिर चित्र हो, वीडियो चित्र हो, दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में भेजना मुमकिन हो गया है। तुम चाहो तो पूरे एक पुस्तकालय की किताबों के विषय को कम समय में कहीं भी भेज सकते हो। इंटरनेट आधुनिक जीवन शैली का महत्वपूर्ण अंग बन गया है। शायद इसके बिना संचार व सूचना दोनों ही क्षेत्र ठप पड़ जाते हैं। Now the teacher, he is continuing, he is saying that you can also send the images, videos, and you can also send the whole book through PDF in within no time. You can save your time and energy, and in no time you can easily send images, videos, and whatever you want to send, you can send it through the internet. And it has made our life so easy, and it has become an important part of our life. And without internet we cannot even think to survive. Like how food, clothing, and shelter are the basic necessity of our life, we cannot think, we cannot imagine to survive without this. Internet is also taking the same place. We have become so dependent on it that today we cannot think to live without internet. Then Neha, another student, what she is asking, sir, internet द्वारा और कौन सी मदद मिलती है? She is asking some more facilities that internet has provided us. शिक्षक, इंटरनेट द्वारा घर बैठे बैठे खरीदारी कर सकते हैं, कोई भी बिल भर सकते हैं। इससे दुकान जाने और लाइन में घंटों खड़े रहने का समय बच सकता है। इंटरनेट बैंकिंग द्वारा दुनिया की किसी भी जगह पर चाहे जितनी भी रकम भेजी जा सकती है। Now the teacher, he is explaining about the internet and some more information he is giving. He is saying that you can do online, you can do online shopping from Amazon, Flipkart, and many more. And you can also pay your bills like electricity bills or rent through the internet. You don't have to go and stand in a long queue and waste your time and energy. So all these things are saved within a short period. In a short time you can do many work, and with the help of internet banking you can transfer a huge amount to any other account, to any account in any part of the world. That has also become easy, because in earlier days people used to travel, they used to carry the money in briefcase, and they used to travel from one place to another. That was quite risky. So that problem has been solved through internet banking. Within no time you can transfer huge amount in any account. Then teacher also explains about video conferencing. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस द्वारा एक जगह बैठकर दुनिया के कई देशों के प्रतिनिधियों के साथ 8-10 दूरदर्शन के पर्दे पर चर्चा कर सकते हैं। एक ही कमरे में बैठकर विभिन्न देशों में रहने वाले लोगों के साथ विचार विनिमय कर सकते हैं। See, pratinidhyo means members, representative, you can say members with whom you get connected. Then vichar vinimay means opinion, decision. So in video conferencing, what happens, you can see in the image, in his laptop, there are so many members connected, and he can easily contact with all the members. All these members are in different places, in maybe in different countries, but it is so easy through the internet that he can give the opinion, or he can take the opinion of people. So video conferencing helps us in communicating with different people across the globe at one particular time. Then Anjali, she asked another question. Let us see what she asked. सर क्या इंटरनेट की सहायता से बेरोजगारी को मिटा सकते हैं? It means now she is asking that with the help of internet can we eradicate the problem of unemployment? Let us see what the teacher says. हाँ जरूर, भारत में आईटी इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी और आईटीईएस इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एनबोल्ड सर्विस संस्थाओं का प्रवेश इंटरनेट से संभव हुआ है। इनसे अनगिनत लोगों को रोजगार मिला है और सिर्फ हमारे देश में ही नहीं, कई देशों की आर्थिक स्थिति भी सुधार हुआ है। Now here the teacher is saying that yes, why not, we can easily remove the problem of unemployment through the internet. From information technology and information technology enabled services, these are organizations that that provide a wide range of career options, which include BPO, KPO, and medical billing, coding, back office jobs, etc. Means it has provided many jobs to the people, which has directly or indirectly helped in improving the economic condition of not only our country but other country as well. Then Amod, another student, he asked, sir, मैंने social networking शब्द कहीं पढ़ा है, इसका अर्थ क्या है? Now Amod, he is asking that I have heard about social networking, what it is, can you explain me about that? Then teacher explains about social networking. Social networking एक क्रांतिकारी खोज है जिसने दुनिया भर के लोगों को एक जगह पर ला खड़ा कर दिया है। सोशल नेटवर्किंग के कई साइट्स है, जैसे फेसबुक, आर्कुट, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन आदि। इन साइटों के कारण देश विदेश के लोगों की रहन सहन, वेशभूषा, खान पान के अलावा संस्कृति, कला आदि का प्रभाव शीघ्र हमारे समाज पर पड़ रहा है। Now here he is saying that social networking, it is a revolutionary discovery, means it is a very innovative thing which has come in the form of social networking. It is a platform that provides you to get connected with many people, like Facebook. We all are familiar with Facebook, Twitter, yes. So many people get connected in that, and you can easily share your views, points, views and opinions, and whatever you want to, whatever message you want to put, you can put through this platform, so that people anywhere across the world, they can get the information easily. If you want to give any awareness, it is a very good platform to make aware about any information, about whatever you want to make people aware, you can easily put through this platform. Then बच्चों, इतना ही नहीं, भारत जैसे प्रगतिशील राष्ट्र ई गवर्नेंस द्वारा बदलाव लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Now the teacher is saying that not only this, but e-governance is also taking place in our country. प्रगतिशील राष्ट्र means progressive nation. Then Rajat, he is asking, what is e-governance? E-governance क्या होता है? Then teacher says, e-governance द्वारा सरकार के सभी कामकाज का विवरण, अभिलेख, सरकारी आदेश आदि को यथावत लोगों को सूचित किया जाता है. इससे प्रशासन पारदर्शी बन सकता है. See here, विवरण means description, अभिलेख means record, सरकारी आदेश means government order, यथावत means as it is, same to same. Prashasan means administration. Pardarshi means transparency. Here, e-governance means electronic governance, in which government records, descriptions, and government orders can be easily passed on to the public. Public can come to know the new rules and policies introduced by government. So there is full transparency in that. Then Adesh, he's one more student. What he says, sir, तब तो इंटरनेट समाज के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा वरदान साबित हुआ. Now he's saying that when the internet is providing so much of facilities to us, then it is really a boon for us. Then teacher says, yes, absolutely, इंटरनेट सचमुच एक वरदान है. उसने जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में अपना कमाल दिखाया है, जैसे चिकित्सा, कृषि, अंतरिक्ष ज्ञान, विज्ञान, शिक्षा आदि. यहाँ तक कि देश के रक्षा दलों की कार्यवाही में इंटरनेट का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है. Now when Adesh says that it is a boon for us, then teacher says yes, it is really a boon because it has contributed in the field of medical, agriculture, and about space, and also in the field of military. So in every field, internet has contributed. Then Pooja, another student, she asked, sir, क्या internet का कोई दुष्परिणाम भी है? Now she is asking, is there any disadvantage of internet? Let us see what he says. हाँ हाँ है. इंटरनेट एक और वरदान है तो दूसरी और वह अभिशाप भी है. इंटरनेट की वजह से पायरेसी, बैंकिंग फ्रॉड, हैकिंग आदि बढ़ रही है. मुफ्त वेबसाइट, चैटिंग आदि से युवा पीढ़ी ही नहीं, बच्चे भी इंटरनेट की कबंद बाहों के पाश में फंसे हुए हैं. इससे वक्त का दुरुपयोग होता है और बच्चे अनुपयुक्त और अनावश्यक जानकारी हासिल कर रहे हैं. इसलिए आप लोगों को इंटरनेट से सचेत रहना चाहिए. Now the teacher says yes, absolutely, it has disadvantage as well. We can see the piracy. Piracy means illegal copying of books, videos, tapes. So here the frauds and piracy and hacking. Hacking means there are many hackers who hack your email ID and email ID and your bank details, and they can easily transfer your amount. So you can lose your money. So these are the frauds which are happening. These are the negative side of internet which are very common in nowadays. So it is saying that in today's world, this Yuva PD. Yuva PD means youngsters. Yuva PD, not only the youngsters but also children are so addicted towards this internet. Kaband Baho. This word is taken from Ramayana. Kaband is a name of a devil who used to live in a forest. Actually, he was punished by Lord Indra, and after getting punishment, he was transformed into a devil, and his arms were so big, so long that even though he was tied, Pash means tied, even though he was tied at one place, he could reach any part of the forest. So here the arms of the devil is compared to the internet, like how he used to catch anything from his hand. The same way internet has its reach across the globe. Today you cannot find a place where internet is not being used. So only here the Kaban Baho word is used, that it has that the people of all age groups, they are addicted towards it. इससे वक्त का दुरुपयोग होता है. दुरुपयोग मीन्स वेस्टेज. So because of that, people are wasting their time, and the kids, the small children, they are getting information at a very early age. The information which are not supposed to be given to them, they are taking from the internet. So this is also a drawback. So parents have to be careful when they are handing over their cell phone to their children. They have to be careful that what information they are seeing, are they using it properly, or they are misusing it. So parents have to be careful about that. So here also the teacher is telling the same thing, that we have to be alert. Then Rohan, he says, सर आपने हमें इंटरनेट क्रांति के बारे में बहुत सारी जानकारी दी, इसके लिए सबकी तरफ से बहुत धन्यवाद. Now Rohan is thanking to his teacher on behalf of everyone that you have given us such a good information about internet which we were not aware. You have made us aware about internet, so I thank you on behalf of everyone. दिन शिक्षक द टीचर सेज एक बात याद रखना कि इस क्षेत्र में क्रांति निरंतर चलती रहेगी. टीचर इज सेइंग दैट रिमेंबर वन थिंग दैट this internet, the changes and whatever changes the internet is bringing day by day, it will keep on increasing, so you will have to be alert and be cautious of it. So this was the information about the internet. So this was in this chapter. I hope you understood. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe it. Thank you.